Yeah, it's me. Hold on 1 second. 102 Jams, Waleed Coyote, 5 Most Wanted, number 4 song. Sing along like.
Number 4.
What up, boy?
Hey, what's happening?
What's going on, pimp?
Oh, what's up, man? This Rev here. We're calling in.
Okay, what's happening with you, bro?
All right.
What's the word? You in town for the night?
We are in town for the night. We are in town for the night. And, you know, we're going to be the Respect My Vote bus tour. It's crazy, man. You know, we're going to be tonight, man, at the End Club tonight, man. You know, we free mixtapes, the whole crew, man. It's so important, man. This election is our lunch counter moment, man. So folks are going to come out, man, and party for a cause, for real.
No doubt, man. Of course, the cause is next week. We're less than a week away, man, and y'all been everywhere, huh?
Man, we have been everywhere, man. You know, we started in Atlanta, and we went out to D.C., Fairfax. We've gone to Cleveland, Cincinnati, Columbus, man, Philadelphia, man, back down to Virginia, now back in North Carolina, man. But we have no choice, man. You know, really, we cannot be bystanders, man. You know, democracy is not a spectator sport. So we can't be on the sidelines of this election, of this process, man. We got to make sure our voices are heard, and they got to hear us loud and clear.
And you all over the city, and you got the big bus, man. What the bus look like, man? Tell everybody.
Man, the bus is actually is important. You know, I was fortunate to do Vote or Die, but now, man, doing this process, man, you know, doing this thing with T.I., man, and T.I.'s on the bus, and the Simmons Sisters, man, and Omar Epps, man, Melly from the Pussycat Dolls. I mean, it's real, man. Reagan Gomez was in the video. You know, she's in front of, you know, it is crazy, man. But more importantly, the star really are your listeners. I mean, they are the stars of this process. We need them to come to the polls. It's a red carpet day for early vote and voting.
No doubt. Man, you real passionate about it. I'm real passionate about it. You know, we all over the place, 102jams.com. Everybody knows early voting, man. We got 1 million early voters already in North Carolina. I don't know if you know that or not. So, brothers like you, man, definitely making that change and making people respect that change. So that's a real good look, man. And welcome back to the city, brother.
No, thank you so much. And tonight, man, we'll be at the End Club tonight, man. So, please, man, stop by. The bus is going to be there, man. It's going to be mixtapes. Yo, please, come by so we can continue to organize.
All right, no doubt. I'm going to see you downtown tonight, big homie.
That's what's up, man. See y'all later now.
All right, my G. I appreciate you calling in.
No, thank you, man. Positive people.
All right, bro. Thanks.
Peace.
Peace.